Wow. This wind is like super crazy. I don't know if you can see the branches moving there. And hear the wind blowing. It's almost like being in a hurricane. I do wonder how the structure will handle a hurricane. It's not hurricane season yet, but this wind is strong. See the trees moving there? You can see them really moving on this side over here. I don't know if the camera is picking up. Look up front here. See out the window, it's all blowing and just going nuts. So I was just laying down, napping. Woke up with all this wind going crazy here. It is like totally wild outside. Just crazy. Crazy wind. I am curious how this structure will do under an actual hurricane. I don't know if it's still going to be standing, but I was looking at the roof here and it kind of moves up and down because it's not held in place. It's just sitting there, and you know, it can slide open and fly off. So what I'm thinking is I may have to secure it somehow. I'm going to make a little latch and glue it on using wood glue or something, and then screw it into place to kind of help hold the roof together. That might give it a little bit more integrity. So that may be a project I might work on later today to try to hold the roofing down after watching how the wind really picks up here, because I think that's the weakest part of the structure right there, is where the roof, I don't know if you can see the light right there. So you can see the light right there. That's because the roof is actually not attached, it's just sitting. So that's going to be something I'm going to need to work on because this wind is like crazy today. It's like crazy wind.